guys, so today I'm going to be finally taking off the leather bra on the Miata. Now I've had this leather bra on the car since I got it. It came with the leather bra, and if you have any sense of style, I mean, you can't possibly say that looks good. So today we're finally going to take it off and assess the damage that it has done, because I briefly took part of it off after I got the car, and it looked like it had kind of messed up the paint on the bumper and maybe some other stuff. So we're going to go ahead and check that out, see how bad the damage actually is. So it's in a few different parts. You have little covers for each of the headlights here. You also have a piece for the hood, and of course you have the big piece that covers part of the fenders and the bumper as well. So we're going to start with the easy part, which is of course the headlights and the hood. So let's get started.
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy.
Well guys, exactly what I anticipated from when I bought the car and kind of checked out the front bumper. It is a bit cracked. I think I remember the previous owner telling me before I bought it something about they hit a coyote a few years ago and it cracked the bumper, or something about, you know, hitting a coyote. I remember that. I mean, but if you look down here, you can see there's some nice little, whatever these are called, I can't remember off the top of my head, and there's a nice PVC pipe running right through here to hold this together. And I actually first noticed that while I was working on this side, and I looked in behind the bumper. Hopefully you guys can pick it up on camera. There's about a foot long PVC pipe right behind here, kind of holding the bumper together. And as you can see, this bumper is just shot. I mean, when I was peeling this part off, the black part, it felt like it was adhering to the car. Like it felt like there was almost glue on it to hold it on, which there probably wasn't, but I mean, this is just completely just ruined. You can see how filthy it is. Can't imagine how long it's been since this has been washed. Thankfully, obviously nothing is wrong with these. I mean, this wasn't covered by the bra. The headlights are fine. The part of the fender that was covered is completely fine. On this headlight, however, there is a tiny bit of clear coat that's peeling right along here. Other than that, though, it really isn't that bad. I don't know. And then, of course, I mean, it's hard to miss this. I don't know how the hell this happens right here. Just a bunch of big scratches. Of course, you got the old Mazda badge here, which I was never really a fan of. But yeah, there is a new bumper on, no, not a new bumper, a used bumper that I'll have to get painted, that hopefully I can get painted soon and then put on the car. That'll really help clean up the look. Of course, we still got the clear coat peeling on this fender and whatever. I mean, we'll get to that eventually, but as for now, hopefully this new bumper, and of course we have the new top to put on as well. And yeah, we're gonna hopefully get this car looking a bit better here pretty soon. So if you guys are excited for that, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you hate leather bras on cars, give this video a big thumbs up. And with that being said, that's going to wrap up this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.